Brinjal or eggplants are high in fiber and low in calories, making excellent choice to any weight loss program. Ingredients required for brinjal curry: sliced brinjal pieces, sliced onion pieces, cut tomatoes, chili powder, turmeric powder, sesame seed powder, salt, coriander leaves, and oil. We are going to make brinjal curry. Brinjal is also called as aubergine, and then it is well liked by everybody throughout the country, and nowadays aubergine is added on pizza and other stuff also. Now we cut all the brinjal into long pieces, and then I am taking it to a microwavable bowl. I want to demonstrate this by showing it in the microwave how to cook this brinjal curry by using the sesame seed powder. Now I have cut the brinjal into long pieces, and then I am putting them in the microwave also. I have cut 2 tomatoes and 1 onion. See, I am cooking everything together in the microwavable bowl and keeping it warm. I am adding chili powder and salt and also vegetable oil I am adding, and now I am mixing it well and keeping it in the microwave for 7 minutes. But first I'll cook for 3 minutes, and then I'll remove it from the microwave oven and then turn the vegetable and then redo it again for another 4 minutes. Now I'm keeping it in the microwave. Now mix it nicely, and then now you add your sesame seed powder and coriander powder, 2 spoons of coriander, and place it in the microwave for another 4 minutes.